Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Singaporean Talks Money. And previously I did a video on how I changed my fiat, which is my Singapore dollars, to UST, and then deposit it into Anchor Earn to earn a 19% interest yearly. So today will be a follow-up on that video, and I'll be explaining how you can withdraw your UST from Anchor, and depending on your purpose, you can directly buy other cryptocurrencies with it, or if you need to off-ramp it into fiat, I will show you how I do it. So there are various methods to off-ramp, and I wouldn't say that mine is the best method, as it does incur fee in the process. Before I get started, I just want to say that everything that I say is not financial advice, and I just want to provide an avenue for learning, and you have to be sure of your risk profile and allocation before getting into any protocol or investments. So let's get straight into it. So let's talk about why would you want to withdraw your UST from Anchor Earn. So the relatively high interest that Anchor Earn is providing has been attracting huge funds in, as you can see from the total deposits, which is shown on the dashboard page. And you can see that the deposits has been increasing quite steadily. So with the yield reserve being topped up not so long ago, and with an announcement by the Lunar Foundation Guard that they have raised $1 billion and it will be used for a UST Forex reserve denominated in Bitcoin, a lot of interest have gathered around the Terra ecosystem. So with your deposited UST, you will still currently earn an interest of about 19%. And with the UST earned, you might want to buy more Luna, or if not, buy other available cryptocurrencies, or otherwise you can just leave it in Anchor to compound, which is also a good option. So of course, there might be situations where you will want to withdraw and off-ramp a certain amount depending on your needs. So I'll be talking more about the steps to withdrawing UST from Anchor Earn. So you can do so by going to Anchor Earn, click on Withdraw and decide the amount that you wish to withdraw. From there, it will go to your Terra wallet. So to send it to an exchange, do take note of the address and memo, which you will need to fill in accordingly. So I have checked FTX and saw that they are now also accepting UST via the Terra network. Previously, they only accepted via the ERC20 network. So that's great because you can now omit KuCoin from this whole process and you can just withdraw your UST from your Terra wallet straight to FTX by making sure that the address you're putting in is correct and including a memo. So similarly for on-ramp, you can also send your UST straight from FTX once the bank deposit is in, and you can convert it to UST. So KuCoin is now completely not really needed in this whole equation. So if you were to still use KuCoin, you will just have to take note of the address and memo, which you will need to fill in accordingly. So previously, I would transfer my UST to KuCoin, where I'll change it to USDT, and then send it to FTX using the Tron network, and then changing it to either USDC, and then I would use the BSC network to send it to crypto.com. So crypto.com will be the platform that I use to off-ramp. And I know this whole process seems rather tedious, but if you omit KuCoin from this whole process, you just have to move it to FTX, and then from FTX use the BSC network to send your UST, which you will convert to USDC, to crypto.com. And then you can just cash it out to fiat using Xverse to your own bank account. So I hope this simple tutorial helps. I'm planning to keep this posting momentum if possible, and if my work doesn't take up too much of my time. So take care as we pray for the world, and particularly those who are suffering right now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you.